partners all over the world. I'm Paolo.
And I'm Tanya.
So right now we're here in Shangri-La BGC
for the culmination of our 11th anniversary, our gala night. And today we're having a privileged interview with the people behind our company's products.
So what are you waiting for?
Let's do this!
Come on, let's go! Can you please tell to our audience about a short background of Nature's Way?
Well, Nature's Way has been around since the 1860s. They have been growing quality for decades and for generations. They really know how to put that quality in all the way from the seed to the shelf to the distributors throughout the Philippines and throughout the world. It's an excellent way to say magandang umaga to the entire world through AIMGLobal.
Wow. So my next question is about our flagship product, C24/7. Can you please explain to us what is the key ingredient, why it is very effective?
The key ingredient is diversity. There are super fruits, super veggies, super green foods, super algae, super organic mushrooms, super citrus peel flavonoids, super flower pigment luteins. You can't just pick any one ingredient. It's the diversity of all of them that helps protect a person from head to toe, because all of these different flavonoids, pigments, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, luteins, carotenoids, all of the enzymes and omega acids, all of these nutrients, the thousands of them, are used by the body throughout the body to protect from head to toe, so that you have greater wellness, greater longevity, greater well-being, all the way throughout the body. Plants can't leave to go and find nutrition for themselves. They can't leave from the stressors that are in their environment, whether it's hot or cold or rainy or dry, or there are bugs eating them, or whether there is all kinds of stressors. Plants can't leave. They can't take a vacation, so they leaf. They grow leaves and produce hundreds and thousands of nutrients to protect themselves, and I formulated those into the C24/7 to protect us from the stressors in our environment. Diversity is the key.
Sir, last message to our audiences.
Magandang umaga. Salamat po for the opportunity to come and share with you the diversity that is found in the formulation C24/7 and in Complete Phyto Energizer. It's been formulated with love for my family, and it's nice to be a part of your family now as this alliance in motion goes forward throughout the globe. Happy anniversary.